Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, The AG. In today's video, I'm going to share you how to prepare this easy chutney recipe at your hostel. There is no hassle of cooking this recipe in your kettle. In my previous videos, I have shown you how to prepare ready to cook chutneys at your hostel. But this recipe requires no kettle or no rice cooker. You simply need to add water, the chutney mix, and your instant chutney will be ready. So let's get started and know how to prepare this chutney. To prepare this chutney mix, take a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. To this pan, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and roast well. To this, add 3 to 4 garlic cloves, add 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Fry well until these are well roasted. When you see peanuts and urad dal have changed into little color, add 3 to 4 red chilies and 1 bunch of curry leaves. Here, roast all these ingredients on low to medium flame and make sure that you do not burn any ingredient. If any one of these pulses are burnt, this burnt smell remains in the entire chutney mix. So, stir continuously and make sure that none of the ingredients are burnt. To this mixture, add 1 cup of bengal gram. This is already roasted chana gram. So, try this for about 1 to 2 minutes. That will be good enough. Add 1 small lemon size of tamarind piece and salt as required. Now let the mixture cool down completely. When all this has cooled down completely, transfer to a mixer jar and grind it into fine powder. Make sure you grind the powder very finely. Do not leave any grainy texture while you're grinding this chutney mix. Always grind this chutney mix while entire ingredients are cooled down, or else if you grind the ingredients while they are hot, moisture is formed in the chutney mix and it doesn't stay fresh for longer time. Now transfer this chutney mix into an 8-8 jar and you can carry this 8-8 jar of instant mix. You can use this chutney mix in 2 ways. One way is you can sprinkle this chutney mix onto your dosas. Instead of onions, you can sprinkle this chutney powder and your dosa stays so good, so delicious. In second method, you can prepare chutney. To prepare chutney, take a bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of instant chutney mix and add little quantities of water. Mix without any lumps. That's it, your instant chutney is ready. You can serve this instant chutney with any South Indian breakfast. I hope you like this recipe and also liked our idea how to use this instant chutney in 2 ways. If you like our video till now, please like the video, and if you're first time to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Now coming to the giveaway. Thank you for participation in the giveaway. Here is the winner. The winner is one of our subscribers. Here is the winner of our first giveaway. The lucky winner is Akshay Swami. Congratulations, you won the bag. In case you missed this giveaway, follow our channel for more giveaways. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. In my next video, you will be watching how to prepare instant dosa from homemade dosa mix. There is no hassle of soaking the lentils and grinding the batter. You simply need to mix water and spread the dosas on the pan. That's it, your instant dosas will be ready. Interesting, right? Stay tuned till Friday. New video will be releasing. So stay tuned guys, and thank you for watching.